Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and in this pattern we used nested for loop to build this code in Python language. So firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit and 0 as the upper limit and -1 as the step value. And inside this outer for loop we create two inner loop. First inner loop is for spacing and second inner loop is for moving the columns. So firstly we create a first inner loop is for spacing, and in this spacing type loop we used I as lower limit and 5 as the upper limit, and inside this loop we print space. And now we create second inner loop that is used for moving the columns, and in this loop we used 0 as lower limit and I as the upper limit, and we print the outer loop variable that is I, because this is a row wise pattern, which means when we have a constantly number repeated in a row, then we can say that this is a row wise pattern. And outside both of these inner loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will automatically move to the next line. अब हमने इसमें स्पेस दे दिया एंड इक्वल्स टू डबल कोट्स के बीच में, तो आपका एक्यूरेट आ गया. आई होप अंडरस्टैंड. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल जीने दीपांशी एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी कंसर्न एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस पैटर्न यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम, और आप ड्राइव एंड रन करके पैटर्न को समझ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं.